In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome ERR QUIC protocol error. This error usually appears when you're trying to visit a website and Chrome suddenly stops loading the page, showing a message related to the QUIC protocol. QUIC is a technology built into Chrome to make connections faster and more secure, but sometimes it can conflict with certain networks, firewalls, or site configurations. When that happens, you might see this error instead of the page you want. We're going to walk through a simple way to fix this, directly from your Chrome settings. Follow along with me in your own browser so you can apply each step as I describe it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar at the very top, where you usually type website addresses, you're going to type a special configuration link. Carefully type chrome//flags and then press Enter. This opens Chrome's experimental features page, where a lot of advanced options are stored. You'll see a warning at the top explaining that these are experimental settings. That's normal. We're only going to change one specific option related to QUIC, which is safe as long as you follow the steps exactly. At the top of the page, there's a search box that says Search Flags. Click inside that box and type the word QUIC, spelled QUIC. Chrome will filter the list and show you an option related to the QUIC protocol. You should now see an option called Experimental QUIC Protocol, or something very similar. On the right-hand side of that option, there's a drop-down menu. Click that menu, and instead of the default value, choose Disabled. This tells Chrome to stop using QUIC for your connections. Once you've disabled the QUIC protocol, you need to restart Chrome for the change to take effect. At the bottom of the page, you should see a button that says something like Relaunch. Click that, and Chrome will close and open again automatically, restoring all your tabs. After Chrome restarts, try visiting the website that was giving you the ERR QUIC protocol error. In most cases, the page should now load normally, because Chrome is no longer using the QUIC protocol that was causing the conflict. If the problem continues, make sure your browser is up to date and consider checking your antivirus or firewall settings. But for many users, simply disabling the experimental QUIC protocol in Chrome resolves the issue right away. That's it for this tutorial on fixing Google Chrome ERR QUIC protocol error.